Hello, welcome to Great Garden Channel. While I was on my way home, I suddenly stepped on an eggshell that had been thrown by the roadside. Looking at the eggshell, which seemed to have no value left, I suddenly remembered the Christmas cactus I had just bought for only $2. I thought, why not try using something that seems worthless to provide calcium for the plant? Today I will turn these eggshells into a simple plant care ingredient and combine them with a few familiar ingredients that are readily available in the kitchen. Can something that seems useless really help this $2 Christmas cactus grow better? If you love houseplants and simple ways to reuse household ingredients at home, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden. Let's get started. After bringing the plant pot and eggshells home, the first thing to do is place the eggshells on a tray for preparation. First, wash the eggshells thoroughly under running water. This will help remove any remaining egg white, egg yolk, and dirt stuck to the shells, reducing unpleasant odors and making the eggshells cleaner before using them for the plant. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, dry the eggshells under sunlight for approximately 1 hour. This will help the eggshells dry naturally, reduce any remaining moisture, and make them more convenient to crush in the next step. While waiting for the eggshells to dry, I will remove the damaged parts of the Christmas cactus. Since I bought this plant for only $2 at a discount store, it was no longer as healthy as it originally was, with many wilted and damaged parts. At this point, removing the damaged parts will help preserve the healthy sections and allow the plant to focus its energy on recovery and new growth. Use scissors to completely remove any rotten, dried, wilted, or damaged parts of the plant. This will help the plant focus its energy on the healthy parts, encourage new shoots to develop, and support the recovery process. What problem does your plant struggle with the most this season? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and help if I can. Don't throw these leaves away just yet. I will use them to propagate new plants in the next video. If you want to see the process of a small leaf growing into a Christmas cactus plant, leave a comment below. Next, I will cut one aloe vera leaf. Do you have aloe vera at home? Aloe vera not only contains a lot of water and natural organic compounds, but it can also be used to provide gentle moisture and nutrients to plants. Cut the aloe vera leaf into small slices as shown in the video. Cutting it into smaller pieces will help the aloe vera blend more easily, release the gel inside, and allow the natural compounds to mix with the water more effectively. Loving these plant care tips. Like this video and subscribe so you never miss our next guide. Place all the sliced aloe vera into a blender. Add 400 milliliters of clean water at room temperature Then cover the lid and blend thoroughly. Blending will help the aloe vera gel mix evenly with the water, creating a uniform mixture that is easier to filter and use for the plant. Next, use a strainer to remove all the pulp, keeping only the clear liquid without any residue. This liquid is the diluted aloe vera solution, which can be used to support plant care and provide gentle moisture to the plant. Add another 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the aloe vera solution. Now, we have a solution to support the plant. At this point, pour some of the aloe vera solution into a spray bottle. We will use it later. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. After 1 hour, when the eggshells are completely dry, place all the eggshells into a mortar and crush them into small pieces. Crushing them will help increase their surface area, allowing the mineral components to be released and distributed more easily throughout the growing medium when used for the plant. After crushing, we will have a fine eggshell mixture like this. At this point, use a spoon to sprinkle a small amount of crushed eggshell around the base of the Christmas cactus. Eggshells contain calcium, which can provide minerals to the growing medium and support the plant in maintaining cell structure, helping the stems and segments develop more firmly. Next, take the prepared spray bottle and gently mist the base, stems, and leaf segments of the Christmas cactus. You should do this approximately once a week, preferably in the early morning or late afternoon, so the plant has enough time to dry naturally. The aloe vera solution can provide gentle moisture and a small amount of organic compounds, supporting the plant during recovery and growth. In addition to misting, you can also use the aloe vera solution to lightly water around the base. As the solution penetrates the growing medium, the eggshells on the surface will come into contact with the moisture and gradually release minerals, providing calcium to the growing medium over time. If you want to learn the secrets to caring for all kinds of houseplants, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Your plants can become healthier, grow strong new roots, and produce beautiful blooms throughout the year. At this point, place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area for approximately 5 days, avoiding direct sunlight and preferably choosing a location with gentle, indirect light. This gives the plant time to stabilize and adapt while reducing water loss or stress after treatment. After 5 days, continue by preparing an organic solution to support the plant. Does your family often eat bananas? Bananas are a familiar fruit, and banana peels contain potassium and some minerals, which can be used to provide gentle nutritional support for plants. Use a knife to cut the banana peel into small pieces, as shown in the video. Cutting it into smaller pieces will help the components in the banana peel be extracted into the water more easily. At the same time, this step also helps the mixture become more uniform, preventing larger pieces from decomposing slowly and affecting the quality of the resulting solution. Next, place all the chopped banana peels into a clean glass cup. Then add 1 tablespoon of molasses. Molasses contains a small amount of minerals and organic compounds, which can provide additional gentle nutrients to the solution. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with indoor plants, feel free to post in the community tab of the channel. Let's learn, share, and grow together as plant lovers every day. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water over the banana peels and molasses. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly so the 2 ingredients combine, helping the natural substances in the banana peel extract into the water more effectively. Finally, cover the mixture and let it steep for approximately 2 hours. After 2 hours, when the solution has cooled, filter out the solid residue, keeping only the clear liquid. This liquid is the banana peel and molasses extract. Next, add 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute it, making the solution gentler before using it on the plant. That's it. We now have a mixed solution for plant care. First, pour the solution into a spray bottle and gently mist the base, stems, and segments of the Christmas cactus. The banana peel and molasses solution can provide a small amount of potassium and organic matter, supporting the plant's growth and creating favorable conditions for healthy development. It is best to mist in the early morning or late afternoon, as these are favorable times for the plant to develop. I will use the remaining solution in the cup to water the snake plant. Gently water a moderate amount around the base, avoiding keeping the growing medium excessively wet. The banana peel and molasses solution can provide a small amount of minerals and organic matter to the growing medium, supporting the roots and helping the snake plant maintain green, firm leaves and stable growth when combined with appropriate light and watering practices. Result: after approximately 2 months of consistent care, you may begin to notice significant changes in the Christmas cactus. The leaves and plant segments become greener and stronger, maintain their natural firmness, and the plant begins producing more new segments. The plant grows more vigorously, the canopy gradually becomes fuller, and many new shoots appear at the ends of the segments. In particular, if the plant receives appropriate light and temperature, you may begin to see small flower buds forming. The buds gradually grow, signaling that the plant is preparing to enter a beautiful flowering season. Continue to care for and observe the plant patiently, because every plant has a different growth and flowering rate. What do you think about this method? Leave a comment below and share your results with us. If you find this method helpful, don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to Great Garden so you don't miss the next simple plant care and propagation tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video on Great Garden.